What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is January 15th 2021, and this video is gonna be a little quick little update on the Rs3. Ordered all my parts for stage 2. I'll show you I'll do a little unboxing once I get back home. But some of the parts I ordered, I did order the some of the parts that I ordered that I already installed are the 034 Motorsports 4-inch intake, pretty nice. Sounds pretty. I gotta get some sound clips for y'all once I get some time. And then I installed the CTS intercooler. Y'all can see that. So those are what I installed. Now I still have the CTS, you know, 4-inch turbo inlet and the outlet pipe and spark plugs and just stuff like that to run Unitronic Stage 2. And the IROS downpipe, midpipe. I do want to order the, like I said before, I do want to order the AEW check exhaust before I put anything on, just so I have a full exhaust. But other than that, still running pretty good. It's too quiet, but whatever. I do plan on ordering the 034 Motorsports lowering springs as well. Dirty ass tires, oh my god. I don't know, I'm out in the fucking, it's a sofa right there, some hobos, something, I don't fucking know. Big ass house. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the car, what it looks like with a 4-inch intake and a intercooler. So I'll pick this back up when I get back home to do the unboxing. Thank you. All right, guys, welcome back to the garage. Rs3 right there, this thing right here. This is being sold tomorrow, so Rs3 will be in here. But anyways, here's the rest of my parts that you would need for stage 2. So let's start with this one. So this right here is the CTS outlet pipe, and this pipe connects to the I believe it connects to the turbo inlet, I believe, and the intercooler. I didn't put it on when I put the intercooler on because I didn't have a tool that requires, so I didn't put it on. But some people say this is not necessary to run, but I just got it anyways because you might as well, if you're changing out the intercooler, you might as well just change out the pipe while you're there. It's only like 150 bucks. So in the other remaining box, you have, you know, just necessary spark plugs, NGKs. In this bag you have your this is the CTS 4-inch inlet, turbo inlet, that comes with a 4-inch coupler. So this thing's fucking gigantor. And it comes with a wastegate line as well. I think this is the wastegate line, not really sure. Then the last parts are, this is another wastegate line that I ordered from Unitronic. I didn't know that the CTS one gave you a wastegate line, so now I got 2 of them. And this one is the CTS. I got all CTS stuff, by the way, because CTS is, you know, budget friendly. It's cheap, so it will get the job done. But anyways, this is the CTS throttle body inlet kit. So it comes with a charge pipe, And this charge pipe and the outlet pipe are all wrinkle black. Comes with a little bolt. Comes with the CTS logo on it, if I could find it. There it is right there. I'm not gonna take out the box though. So that's the charge pipe. It comes with the throttle body inlet. Pretty high quality stuff. CTS. And it comes with the spacer. So that's basically all you need for stage 2 per Unitronic. If you go on the Unitronic website, they'll tell you all the parts you need. But in order to run 85, you do need the MPI injectors. But I'll be running 104 octane, and they said I did not need injectors. But yeah, so with all these, it should be at like 580 horsepower, then like 530 foot-pounds of torque, I believe. That's what the website said. Don't quote me on that, but whatever. Yeah, that's about it. You already know I got the Rs down pipe, mid pipe upstairs. I will be ordering the, like I said, I will be ordering the AWE track exhaust, so it'll be stupid loud because no valves. And that's about it. I did do a video on the install for the intercooler and the intake, but I did not like it, so I'll probably delete that video and not post it because it was just trash. It was not good. So, you know, quality over quantity is what I say, man. So, but that's about it, man. It's a stupid ass Mustang. I'll give you all cold start of Mustang. It's just stupid loud. Podcast. I did like a little turn on to turn it off because it's just loud as fuck. Can you all see that? Yeah, sure, whatever. Whatever. Fuck this fucking Mustang. Being sold tomorrow. Some dude in West Virginia. But yeah, if you guys want to see the stock Rs3 intake or intercooler, here it is. Little baby ass intercooler. That's fucking painted black. I guess the flow with the front, but whatever. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. It was just a little quick update. The next video I will be doing is probably going to be of, I have no idea. I know that the car meets are starting back up here in Virginia. I've seen a few, so probably be hitting some of those up with the Rs3. Then probably me ordering my AWE check exhaust, and I'll be installing that once, you know, I get some money, because I'm broke ass boy. But other than that, yo, man, stay tuned. You know, like, comment, subscribe, whatever. If you don't, whatever, cool. Whatever floats your boat, you know what I mean? And yeah, stay safe. Deuces.